Thanks, Jacob. Well, it's another beautiful day here at Humber Lakeshore, and it looks like our milder weather streak is going to be continuing throughout the week. With spring on everyone's minds, let's see what Humber students like to do when the weather gets warmer. So, what's your favorite thing to do in the warmer weather?
Spending time up north in the outdoors, pretty much, yeah.
So, what's your favorite thing to do in the nicer weather?
I like going to a lot of sporting events if the weather's nice, like maybe like Toronto FC or Blue Jays or something, that kind of thing.
Well, let's look at what the weather's going to be like for the rest of the week. We've been seeing a lot of more mild spring-like temperatures lately, and today is no different, but it is a little bit cooler than the days before. So today we're going to be having a high of 3, which is quite nice, some sun and cloud throughout the day, but mostly cloudy, and we're going to have a nighttime low of -3 degrees. Moving into tomorrow, our temperatures are going to rise a bit with a high of 8, and we'll have some cloud and a little bit of sun throughout the day. We might see some rain overnight with a nighttime low of 3. Moving into Friday, we're going to definitely be seeing a bit more rain, so Friday is probably going to be the wettest day of our week. We're going to be having a pretty pleasant high of 6 degrees and a low of -6, so definitely a little bit cooler overnight, but still spring-like temperatures overall. Moving into our weekend, it's going to be a little bit cooler, but it's still going to be above 0 in our highs, which is definitely going to be nice to enjoy. On Saturday, we're going to have a daytime high of 4, and our low will drop to a cooler -9, so definitely don't put away your winter coats just yet. Moving into Sunday, we're going to be having a cooler high of 1, so a little bit more of wintry temperatures on Sunday, but still above 0 during the day, with our low dropping to -5 degrees and mostly sun. Now, moving on to our international story. Swedish activist Greta Thunberg is calling on climate activists across the world to move their rallies online as coronavirus concerns grow. Thunberg attracts large crowds to protest against climate change and is the founder of the Fridays for Future youth movement. Many countries are placing bans on large public gatherings to curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus. With the current virus fears, Thunberg encouraged fellow activists to listen to local authorities and find ways to advocate which do not include large public gatherings. She encouraged her supporters to post photos of them striking with the hashtags ClimateStrikeOnline and Fridays for Future. The Fridays for Future movement calls on politicians to listen to climate scientists and take steps against fighting climate change. This is Emma with your weather report for the day. Now, back to the news with Jacob Brooks.